how much candy do you eat? Do you have it every week? Every day? Well, how about we have candy for every single meal? That's the challenge you'll be taking on in today's episode. How would this affect your body and teeth?
I want candy!
This is your body on only eating candy for 1 month. Candy has two main components. There are sweeteners like sugar, corn syrup, honey, or molasses, and texturizers and flavorings, such as milk concentrates and fat. For the most part, these ingredients aren't very good for you and should only be enjoyed in small quantities. But let's throw all that advice out the window and binge on candy for 1 entire month. Would you get the nutrition you need? Or would you end up fat and toothless? The American Heart Association recommends a daily limit of 25 grams of sugar. You'll need to eat a lot of candy to meet your daily calorie needs, and you're going to be well above that amount of sugar. You're going to feel fine. You might even enjoy the sweet hit, but eventually your body will start to crave other foods. This is the monotony effect, a function your body has to ensure you're fulfilling your nutritional needs. Your stomach may start to ache and you could feel anxious and sick. Your energy levels will be all over the place. The sugar hit will cause an initial spike in blood sugar levels, giving you a sudden burst of energy, but that will soon be followed by a crash, making you feel tired and irritated. Binging candy will affect your insulin levels and start stressing out your body's hormone system. And wow, this is just the first week. The average American consumes 10 kilograms of candy every year. At this pace, you'll likely do that within the month. As the week progresses, you're feeling worse and worse. You're hungry all the time and you'd rather eat anything other than candy. Your teeth hurt from all the sweets getting stuck in them. The sour candies are especially hard on your teeth as they are highly acidic and eat away at your tooth enamel. Be sure to brush your teeth thoroughly after every meal and drink lots of water to wash it all away. And on top of all this, you're more tired now than ever. You're not feeling so good, physically or mentally. Consuming all these sugary products has been associated with a high risk of depression. All the candy you're eating may also be aging you. The reaction all this sugar is having with the proteins in your body damages collagen and elastin, the proteins which help your skin stretch and give you a youthful appearance. Your insides are a mess. You're likely spending a fair amount of time on the toilet with either diarrhea or constipation. Getting out of bed or even just moving is difficult. Chances are you're going to need serious medical help to replenish the nutrients your body needs. Eating too much sugar increases the risk of obesity, high blood pressure, inflammation, insulin resistance, and dying from heart disease. A high-sugar diet can also increase androgen secretion and oil production, leading to a higher risk of developing acne. But is it possible to live off candy alone? It's unlikely, but New York resident Paul Rudnick claims to have a diet of only refined sugars. He told the New York Times that he barely touches vegetables and eats meals of random sugars as he has for his entire life. Despite this, he's healthy, relatively fit, and has no dental issues. One study out of the University of Copenhagen showed that the association between eating sweet foods and being overweight might be inaccurate. Their research found that a craving for sweet things may be genetic, and those with this genetic disposition typically have less body fat. Still, we don't recommend that you try eating only candy for a month. As with everything, candy is best enjoyed in moderation or as part of a healthy lifestyle. Now, if it were chocolate, would that be any different? Well, we'll see what that challenge brings on another episode of Your Body On.